Guys, so this is my bike check that I'm doing for my bike right now, which is obviously, you know, I ride it a lot and everyone knows what it is. It's currently a boardman, which got imported all the way from England. And you guys have been seeing me ride this bike a lot, and this is my boardman bike check. So my current setup for my tires is I run currently a pair of slicks. Pretty nice, had them for almost a year now. And also for the back one, I have a slick. It's just personally like easy to swerve, easy to dead spin, as you can see, so it's pretty comfortable. I have like regular boardman stock wheels. Personally, these wheels have been holding up fine, I guess, so far. I had to true the wheels just once time at like my bike shop, so they're actually pretty comfortable. So yeah, and these are tubeless ready, so that's like the best part about it. Seat I guys have on my bike is just like a regular SC blue big flyer seat. Pretty comfy seat. I like it personally for combos. And I just have like some 5001 grips, pretty comfortable. Recently got them. They're kind of worn out, like right here. They're pretty worn out. I probably need some new grips soon. Good grips though, they're pretty comfortable. And what I have is for my current setup for my gears and all that, I got Shimano, let me zoom in. Shimano Dior setup. It's actually pretty comfortable. Like, it's got like the Shimano Dior derailleur, like the on and off switch. I actually like it a lot. It's a little bit dirty, like I said. Pretty comfortable though, and it's a 10-speed, so like I need my gears to be switching pretty nice. I also got the single sprocket 1x, and I got some stock boardman pedals, as you guys can see. Probably need new pedals soon. These are pretty beat up. Yeah, these are pretty beat up, but I might get some new DMR pedals, so stay tuned for that. Last thing on my bike, I think I run FSA cranks. These cranks are pretty nice. Alpha Drive never failed me before, and this obviously comes with the standard 1x. Open bottom bracket, looking probably to get a hollow tech bottom bracket, but yeah. Also for the framework, because you know framework's the way to go forward, I got also some blue grip tape for the frame, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, personally, like when I have grip tape because like when it slips, usually like I can fall or something, it's gonna hurt because it's, you know, it's wet. That's why I put grip tape, so you know I'm not gonna slip at all. That's basically, guys, it for my bike check. I run XT brakes. Personally, these brakes have never failed me before. Here, let me zoom in really quick. Never failed me. Just got brand new Ice Tech cooling pads, so like brakes work much better, as you can see. They are really actually nice. They actually feel really good. And as you can see, it's really shiny right here. It's pretty bling. It's right here, you know. Really nice. They've never failed me, so like I never bled them, just got new pads. I also run an Ice Tech rotor, which needs to go in the bin soon because this rotor is pretty bent. As you can see, this rotor, honestly, like, I got hit, so it's not really too good. Here, come here, look. So it's kind of like, see, it's pretty bent. Yeah, this rotor is pretty much a mess. It needs to go in the bin soon. So what I got for my forks is I actually got some regular SR Suntour air forks, and they got a good amount of travel, 120 millimeters. But these forks are pretty much dead. They probably need to go in the bin soon because, like, basically, like with these forks, it's like they bottom out a lot. Like, yeah, these forks are basically dead. And look right here. I have like, I lost my cap, the adapter is messed up, the rebound is messed up. Here's where you just, you know, put air in there, but these forks are pretty much dead. So yeah, that's why I need some new forks. I'm trying to look for, like, you know, some Rock Shock, something simple like that. And also what I need is I might want to get like a shorter stem, a boardman stem, a little bit shorter. Stock stem, like most of this bike is kind of like stock. It's got some other parts. And these bars, I don't even know if they're reflective or not, but like, it's kind of cool. I don't know if the sticker's reflective on the bars, but it's not even a sticker, it's the paint. It kind of looks reflective though. It's boardman bars. They're like 720 millimeters wide. So yeah, it's pretty nice. But this is, guys, my bike. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this bike check. And I'm probably gonna look forward to getting a new bike soon, maybe one of the nice collective bikes out there that are pretty cheap. Because this bike's, you know, it's probably gonna go in the bin soon. So yeah, guys, Peace out. Take it easy.
No way.
No. You dizzy? Woo! Ah! Come on, Nazim. Come on, go. Keep going. Keep going. Hey. Ooh. Oh, damn. Ah! Oh, shit. Oh, my God. We got Nazim out here. Oh, yo, cross. All right, go.
Should I do no legs?
Go ahead. Yeah.